Hi, I am Chef Sameer from Well-Built Food Services, and today I shall be sharing on how you can increase your sales and increase your guest satisfaction and experiences. The MaryChef E1S. What does it do for you? It will cook, regenerate your food 12 times faster than any conventional cooking medium. And the food will be fresh, hot and tasty after it is done being in the MaryChef. How does it do that? It does that by combining 3 cooking technologies in one go. That is impingement, convection and microwave. Now you can turn around much more customers for delivery, takeaways, dine-in and obviously increase your sales. Do you have a headache, or is it a regular question you have that your staff changes jobs too often, or you have to give trainings to too many people? Well, give yourself some well-deserved peace, because with the MaryChef E1S, the recipes can just be stored with the original picture icon in a touchscreen, icon-based control system. Even the new staff can be easily trained, and it will reduce your training time and your training costs as well. So you don't have to worry about frequent staff trainings at all. As you all know from our previous video, the link to which is on my head in this video, that the MaryChef is the best solution when it comes to making sandwiches, pizzas, quesadillas, or to regenerate any food item from chilled. Speaking of easy to use, let us start with the first item of the day, that is to regenerate samosas. All-time Indian favorite. All I have to do is to click the icon for the samosa or the photo of the samosa itself and put the food inside. And as soon as the buzzer buzzes, my samosas will be as good as just out of the fryer. Let's start cooking. Okay, जब तक हमारा समोसा गर्म हो रहा है, regenerate हो रहा है अपनी original form में, it is becoming as crispy as it turned out from the fryer itself. What more can the MaryChef do for you? And that would be, how about the fact that you do not need any exhaust hood if you have a MaryChef E1S. It is just because it has an inbuilt catalytic converter. You can even place your MaryChef in front of house so that your guests get the best experience, hot, tasty food prepared right in front of them. And सबसे best चीज क्या है? It saves your cost of your exhaust hood as well. As you can see, the samosa is completely hot from the inside, steaming, and it has a crispy texture on the outside as well. Wow, maza aa gaya. That samosa was amazing. And the best part is, if I would have regenerated or reheated, in fact, it in a microwave, उसकी पूरी बाहर की जितनी भी crispiness थी सब खत्म हो चुकी होती. It would have become soggy. It would be hot, but soggy. So there would be no fun to have that samosa at all. And just like that samosa, you can even regenerate many other Indian snacks. Say for example, the best one, the kachori. Once you reheat the kachori, it will be crispy from the outside and hot from the inside, as if it's just come out of the fryer itself. Reheating the kachori in a MaryChef is very easy. Speaking of which, there are many other Indian starters that you can regenerate in a MaryChef. For example, you can even regenerate your vada pav, the all-time Mumbai favorite. It will be hot from the inside with a hot and soft pav on the outside. Using the MaryChef, there's another thing which you want to be crispy, and that is the puff. Once you regenerate the puff in a MaryChef, it will be completely hot from the inside और बाहर से एकदम crispy, flaky, बढ़िया. Speaking of snacks, let's go to South. The South Indian starter or snack, whichever way you want to call it, the vada. You can regenerate a vada direct from the refrigeration, and all these things individually can be reheated within a minute or 60 seconds of time. All of them individually. You can serve your vada after regeneration with the chutney you like, and your customers will be wowed. Wow, all that food coming from the Merrychef is just great. And the fact that the Merrychef can allow you to replace so many things, so many equipments from your kitchen, such as the griller, salamander, microwave, toaster, यहाँ तक कि तवा भी आप replace कर सकते हो in some cases from your kitchen. And all of this allows you to have reduced operational costs as you have just one equipment to run. Speaking of benefits that come from the Merrychef itself, this compact equipment of ours, the Merrychef, just fits in a width of just 16 inches, which reduces your overall kitchen space as well. And apart from this, there are many other things that a Merrychef can help you in, such as if you have multiple stores wherein you are doing lots of foods from the same outlet itself, then the Merrychef is the equipment just for you. With the front-facing USB slot, you can just download all your recipes that are stored in the Merrychef and send it via email to your other outlet. And over there, what your staff has to do is just download into their Merrychef, and आपकी जितनी recipes हैं, they are all standardized, even if you have multiple outlets. Well, now comes the time for another crowd favorite. After the regeneration of the samosa itself, you can also use your Merrychef to cook many things, such as one of the best and most favorite bar snacks, the chili cheese toast. Chili cheese toast में सबसे बढ़िया फायदा आपको ये मिलता है that you can see gratination and toasting in the same thing itself. Chili cheese toast के अंदर आपको bread की browning, toasting, आपको cheese melt करनी है, as similar to a pizza but a little bit different. A chili cheese toast will be a best-selling product, and the best thing is it can only be made in a matter of 60 seconds. That is all it takes. All I have to do, in case I'm doing a new product, is to put the settings, and my Merrychef is ready. I take the food product, it tells me to put the food inside, and that is it. That is all I have to do if I want to make a good chili cheese toast. Wow, beautiful browning on the chili cheese toast, only in 60 seconds. This bar favorite, this is a very easy dish for a bar favorite as well. एकदम बेहतरीन आपका browning on the toast with a good toasting as well, and gratinated cheese. 60 seconds is all it takes to please your guests at a bar. Speaking of which, the Merrychef does not stop here in terms of its benefits. This single-phase powered machine is a dream to clean, with rounded edges on the inside and an easy to remove front air filter. It is very easy, and it just takes maximum 10 minutes to clean your Merrychef every single day. To know more how you can have the best quality of food in the shortest time possible, do get in touch with us. And also, to know more how you can make mouth-watering tikkas, kebabs, and many other favorite Indian starters, keep following our channel. Thank you.